The Sixth Amendment provides defendants with the right to counsel in all felony cases. But does it also require their attorneys to do a decent job? The United States Supreme Court addressed that question in Strickland v. Washington. David Washington went on a 10-day violent crime spree. He committed burglary, robbery, kidnapping, and 3 capital murders by stabbing and shooting. After he was arrested, he confessed. Attorney William Tunkey was appointed to represent Washington. Against Tunkey's advice, Washington waived a jury, pleaded guilty, and proceeded before a judge alone. At the guilty plea hearing, Washington told the judge that he had committed the crimes while under extreme stress, stemming from his inability to support his family. He also falsely told the judge that he had no criminal record. In accepting Washington's guilty plea to the charges, the judge said he had great respect for people who accepted responsibility for their crimes. In preparing for the sentencing hearing, Tunkey briefly interviewed Washington about his personal history. Tunkey also spoke to Washington's wife and mother. Because Washington didn't appear to suffer from mental illness, Tunkey decided not to call a mental health expert. He also decided against calling character witnesses because doing so would have opened the door for additional aggravating evidence, including Washington's criminal record. Although he felt hopeless about Washington's ability to avoid a death sentence, Tunkey believed that relying solely on Washington's earlier claims of emotional stress and a clean record offered the only small chance of doing so. At the sentencing hearing, Tunkey thus didn't introduce any new mitigating evidence and merely referred the judge to Washington's prior statements. The judge sentenced Washington to death. In post-conviction proceedings, Washington, represented by new counsel, contended that Tunkey had provided ineffective assistance of counsel. Washington claimed that Tunkey should have offered expert testimony about Washington's emotional state, as well as positive character witnesses. The trial court rejected that claim, and the Florida Supreme Court affirmed. In federal habeas corpus proceedings, a federal district court denied relief. On appeal, the 11th Circuit remanded the case for the district court to apply a new legal standard. Strickland, the warden of the prison where Washington was held pending his execution, successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court.